Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Sushmita. I hope you all are doing well. So today's video is going to be about an amazing product by Waldent called Den Temp, which is a temporary restorative material. In this video, I'll talk about its composition, indications, features and directions to use. So let's get started. DenTemp is pre-mixed, moisture-activated, ready-to-use temporary filling and sealing material. It contains zinc oxide, calcium sulfate, zinc sulfate and resin base. Features. Research proves that temporary filling material undergo hygroscopic expansion and thus ensure good adaptation to cavity walls and avoid micro-leakage. It can be easily removed from the cavity. It is eugenol-free. Indications. It is used as a temporary filling material before permanent restoration. Used during multiple sitting clinical procedures. Can be used as an inlay restoration. Can also be used for temporary cementation of crowns and bridges. After obturation, clean the prepared cavity with the help of cotton pallet to make sure there are no remaining gutta percha and sealer left. Take out required quantity of DenTemp and place it inside the cavity. Spread the filling uniformly inside the cavity. With the help of wet cotton pallet, remove any excess DenTemp. Finally, check for occlusion to make sure there are no high points. DenTemp can also be used for temporary cementation of crowns and bridges. That's all we have for today. Thanks for watching.